Mercedes' most intelligent motorhome. What happens when German automotive precision meets luxury motorhome engineering at the highest level? You get a rolling smart home on wheels, a motorhome that doesn't just move you from place to place, but thinks, adapts, and protects you along the way. Today, we're exploring what many consider Mercedes' most intelligent motorhome ever built. Based on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 417D, this is not just a luxury RV, it's a statement of engineering, comfort, and technological sophistication. In this video, we'll break down the exterior design, the interior living space, the kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, the real-world driving experience, the advanced technology, and finally, an honest look at the pros and cons. By the end, you'll understand exactly who this motorhome is built for and why it commands its premium price. Let's begin. Exterior design. At over 8 meters long, this motorhome has serious presence on the road. Yet despite its size, the design feels composed, elegant, and unmistakably premium. The foundation is the AL-KO AMC low-frame chassis, which lowers the center of gravity and significantly improves driving stability compared to traditional ladder frame builds. The body construction is fully wood-free, using an aluminum XPS insulation and aluminum sandwich structure. This not only improves longevity and insulation, but also eliminates many of the moisture-related issues seen in older RV designs. The roof is shaped in fiberglass to improve water runoff, while the ultra-flat automotive-style windows sit flush within aluminum frames, reducing wind noise and enhancing aerodynamics. Subtle design details like fog lights with cornering function and the electrically operated entrance step add both safety and daily convenience. This is not an RV designed to shout for attention. It's designed to quietly dominate through quality. Interior and living space. Step inside and the atmosphere changes instantly. With a full internal height of 2.05 meters throughout, the interior feels genuinely residential. There's no sense of compression or compromise, just open, airy luxury. The face-to-face lounge seating can comfortably host up to 7 people, making this motorhome ideal not only for couples, but for families and social travelers. Seating materials feel premium to the touch, and every surface reflects careful craftsmanship. One of the standout features is the double floor system. At 250 millimeters thick, it's fully heated and illuminated, providing massive hidden storage while also improving insulation and winter usability. Access points on both sides make loading effortless. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the cabin, including subtle floor-level illumination at night. Combined with the panoramic sky view and optional electric sunroof, the living space feels bright during the day and calming in the evening. This is a motorhome that feels equally comfortable parked lakeside or rolling through alpine roads in winter. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen is unapologetically premium. A large 153-liter double-hinged refrigerator offers excellent access from multiple angles, while the integrated oven and expansive GetaCore worktops provide a cooking experience closer to a high-end apartment than a campsite galley. Storage is everywhere, yet nothing feels cluttered. Soft closed drawers, overhead lockers, and deep cabinets ensure everything has a place and stays quiet while driving. Moving to the sleeping area, twin rear beds measure a generous 195 by 80 centimeters and can be seamlessly converted into a full king-size sleeping surface. For guests or family use, the optional electric drop-down bed adds another comfortable sleeping zone without sacrificing daytime living space. The bathroom setup is where luxury truly takes center stage. A separate spa-style shower with a rain function sits opposite a dedicated toilet area, offering privacy, comfort, and genuine everyday usability. Combined with the Alde wet central heating system, this is a bathroom designed for year-round touring, not just summer trips. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood sits a 170-horsepower common rail turbo diesel engine paired with the standard 9G-tronic automatic transmission. Power delivery is smooth, confident, and perfectly matched to long-distance cruising. Despite a maximum weight of 4,500 kilograms, the motorhome feels stable and predictable on the road, thanks to the AL-KO low-frame chassis and advanced suspension geometry. Highway driving is calm and quiet, while winding roads feel far more controlled than you'd expect from a vehicle of this size. It does require a C1 license, but in return, you get a driving experience that feels more refined than many smaller motorhomes. Long journeys feel effortless, not exhausting. Technology and smart features. This is where intelligence truly defines the experience. Up front, the MBUX multimedia system, available in 7-inch or 10.25-inch configurations, integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, media, and vehicle data are all presented clearly and intuitively. Inside the living area, smart home-style controls manage lighting, heating, water systems, and energy usage. Dimmable LED lighting allows you to set the mood throughout the cabin, while the Alde wet heating system delivers even, silent warmth in all climates. Temp-matic semi-automatic air conditioning ensures cabin comfort during hot travel days, and every system is designed to work together, not fight for power or attention. This motorhome doesn't overwhelm you with tech. It supports you quietly, intelligently, and reliably. Storage is another area where this motorhome excels. The rear maxi garage offers dimensions of 218 by 129 by 124.8 centimeters, supporting up to 250 kilograms of payload. Two large, upward-opening symmetrical doors provide easy access from either side. The heated and illuminated double floor adds a second layer of storage, perfect for winter gear, tools, or long-term touring equipment. Every drawer, locker, and hatch feels solid, quiet, and premium. Nothing rattles. Nothing feels like an afterthought. Pros and cons. Let's keep it honest. On the plus side, this motorhome offers exceptional build quality, intelligent technology integration, true four-season capability, outstanding ride comfort, and a genuinely luxurious living experience. On the downside, the price places it firmly in the premium segment. The size and weight require a higher driving license category, and this level of luxury may be excessive for casual or short-term travelers. But for its intended audience, these aren't drawbacks. They're trade-offs made for excellence. So, is this truly Mercedes' most intelligent motorhome? In every meaningful way, yes. It combines advanced automotive engineering, residential-level comfort, smart technology, and long-distance capability into a single cohesive package. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile lifestyle built for people who refuse to compromise. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more premium motorhome content from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.